Welcome back. It's now time for news from sports. Musli-powered Churchill Brothers Sports Club defeated Dempo Sports Club by 3 goals to 2 in the Goan Derby match of the I-League. Captain Odafe Okolie's 87th-minute goal sealed full points for Churchill. The thrilling match was played at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda on Sunday.
The much-awaited match between defending champions Churchill Brothers and Dempo Sports Club proved to be a cracker. Churchill opened their account through star striker Udafa Okoli, who converted from the spot after referee PK Bose awarded Churchill a penalty in the 8th minute. However, Churchill had nothing much to rejoice about. Dempo's Nigerian striker Ranti Martins got back to his scoring habit. Ranti scored a fabulous goal in the 23rd minute and later in the 32nd minute to put Dempo up by a goal before half-time. In the second half, Churchill got back to level terms through Felix Chimaku in the 79th minute. Eventually, it was Nigerian goal machine Udafa Okoli who snatched the victory for Churchill in the 87th minute to bring joy among the Churchill fans. Churchill Brothers coach Carlos Roberto Pereira was pleased with his side's performance and especially Udafa's. The Brazilian coach still feels that the title is open for more than 5 teams.
For the win and happy because of the performance of the team today, and even because I think Odafa open again to score goals. No? They have much more preoccupation about that, and sure that today he's more happy than before when he scored. And but still, the league is still open for. Actually, in my opinion, more than 5 clubs can be champion this season, but we are in a good way.
Our reporter from Fatorda, Mayur Naik.
The D.N. Shastri Athletic Meet was held for specially abled children on Sunday. This meaningful event was organized by Lions Club of Asagaon under the aegis of Special Olympics. This meet was held at St. Joseph High School ground in Kalangut.
Over 200 specially abled children from 10 institutes participated in the athletic meet. The event started with the march past and later the lighting of the Special Olympic torch. North Goa MP Shripad Naik was the chief guest. North Goa SP Bosco George was also present. Speaking exclusively to Prudent Media, District Chairperson of Sports and Organizing Chairman of the event, Anthony Fernandez, revealed the motive behind organizing such an event.
It was to give encouragement to these lovely children. We call them lovely children. We all of us can do something good for this type of children. We have achieved very much in our life.
Member of Lions Club of Asagaon, Gautam Sharma, who financially assisted in organizing the event, shared his views about the athletic meet.
It's wonderful, and I think we should more appreciate them and encourage them to do better than normal.
National Director of Special Olympics Victor Vaz revealed the advantages of such events and urged the society to voluntarily give their backing for such events.
Well, mindset of the athlete, it transforms them. A positive attitude, confidence in them, which they will never otherwise get. So Special Olympics basically is only to encourage them, and we look at their abilities. We don't focus on these abilities at all.
What sort of backing do you get from the society?
Well, the society backing is not that responsive. I would rather admit that. Maybe because there's no awareness with our athletes, but they are not very much backing. But definitely if you have to go, they're not backing. When I say they're not backing us on their own, we have to approach them and say, we need help, and then they would come forward. But what I expect from the society is that start backing on their own.
Such events definitely make a difference to these special children. Our sports reporter from Kalangut, Patterson Fernandez, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
And before we end this bulletin, we have for you some beautiful ghazals by Hariharan, who is in Goa for a charitable show. This show was held at Kala Academy on Sunday evening. Have a great time listening to some magnificent ghazals by Hariharan. Till then, take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.
इंसिडेंट हादसा अजीब सानिहा मुझ पर गुजर गया यारो कल रात गुजर गया यारो अजीब